Hi friends, welcome back to Hott and Sweet. Today, we are making a delicious Turai Sabji. In English you call it rich gourd. This dish is light, healthy, and packed with traditional spices. It's the ultimate comfort food for a quick weekday meal. If you think rich gourd, or you can say Turai, is boring, this recipe is going to change your mind. It's subtly sweet, perfectly spiced, and pairs beautifully with hot rotis. Ingredients you'll need: Turai or rich gourd, onions, tomato, green chili paste, boiled chana dal, turmeric, salt. First, we'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil to our pan. Turn the heat to medium and let it heat up until it's nice and shimmering. Now that our oil is hot, let's add in our diced onions. You'll hear that wonderful sizzle right away. Now that our onions are soft, let's add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add salt to taste. Now, let's lower the flame slightly so our spices don't burn. We are going in with a half teaspoon of turmeric for that beautiful golden glow. One teaspoon of green chili paste. This gives us that hot look without being overwhelming. Add some diced tomatoes for the tangy flavor. Now, let's bring in the star of the show. Add your chopped turai right into the pan. And add boiled chana dal. Give it a good toss, making sure every single piece is well coated with that vibrant spice mix we just created. You'll notice the turai looks like a lot right now, but don't worry. It shrinks down significantly as it cooks and releases its natural juices. It's been about 10 minutes. And look at that. The turai has softened beautifully, and it's swimming in its own delicious, spiced juices. The oil has separated slightly, which means our sabji is perfectly cooked. Look at that. This roti is puffing up like a perfect little balloon. That's exactly what you want for a soft, light texture. A little smear of pure desi ghee on these fluffy rotis takes the whole meal to another level of comfort. Just look at those colors. Wow! It's light, it's savory, and that tiny hint of sweetness at the end makes it absolutely addictive. It's the perfect companion for a hot, puffed up roti, or even some simple dal rice. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hott and Sweet. If you enjoyed this simple, healthy Turai Sabji, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes that bring a little spice and a little sweet to your life. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!